In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix site to QuickBooks Online. This process will streamline your financial management and ensure that your online transactions are accurately reflected in QuickBooks. Let's get started. First, if you haven't already created a QuickBooks account, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website and sign up. It's crucial to have your account ready to proceed with the integration. For those who already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online page to log in. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate through several steps to finally integrate the Wix and QuickBooks platforms. After signing in, enter your account details and click Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password, so ensure it's handy. Once entered, click Continue again. Next, if you're managing multiple businesses, you'll be prompted to choose the company file you wish to sync with your Wix site. It's essential to select the correct company file to avoid any discrepancies. Afterward, head over to the QuickBooks homepage by clicking Go to QuickBooks. Now for the integration process itself, click on My Integrations. This section allows you to manage various apps and services linked to QuickBooks. Then click on Find Integrations, where you'll search for the Wix connector. In the search bar, simply type Wix connector. After locating the appropriate connector, click on Wix connector by Intuit. This is the official plugin that safely connects Wix to your QuickBooks account. Once selected, click on Get Integration Now to begin installation and setup. Follow the prompts by clicking Connect Your Accounts. At this point, you'll start linking your Wix account with QuickBooks. Click Continue upon each prompt, confirming your choices to proceed smoothly. You'll be redirected to the Wix sign-up page. If you already have a Wix account, you can skip setting up an account and directly click Log In. For new users, click Sign Up to create an account. This step is necessary to ensure both QuickBooks and Wix are fully connected. By following these steps, your Wix site will now be linked with QuickBooks Online. This integration ensures your transactions are automatically logged, providing you with real-time financial data and eliminating manual entry tasks. That wraps up our tutorial on connecting Wix to QuickBooks Online. This powerful integration simplifies your accounting processes, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you next time.